Hey guys, how's it going? So this company called Funware, I think that this company can make you rich. It can at least 10x your money in the next couple years, or maybe even by the end of this year, unless the stock market crashes, which is always a possibility. And yes, I am invested into this company. I'm very bullish on this company, and in this video, I'm going to share all the video clips. Like, I've watched every single video I can on this company, and I'm gonna share you with some highlights that I think that's really important. uh and I'm just gonna specifically, you guys can do your own research. Definitely, this is a weekend video because I need to make a weekend video, and I'm really bullish on this company, and I don't want anyone to just jump into this company without doing their research. But I think this has massive potential to do a 10x return on investment within maybe even the end of this year or sometime in 2022. But this has massive potential. So I'm gonna be playing this video. I'm gonna let him talk, and then I will talk more about it. So let's begin.
Use of proceeds. What do you do with that? The great thing about us is we've gotten so operationally efficient. We've already spent so much money on our platform that we call MaaS, or multi-screen as a service. We don't have what kind of in our industry you would call technology debt, like where we've got to go build one more thing. You think about electric cars, or Elon Musk tunneling under a city. There's so much engineering that has to go into that, and so much money required to do that, or send a man or woman to Mars. We don't have any of that. We've already invested in that. Our platform is fully commercial ready. It's being deployed right now. It's being sold right now. These enterprise licenses, brands are finally realizing what mobile engagement can be when they do it with Funware. And so really all this money is to add fuel to the fire. It's sales and marketing. It's what you should want to hear. We want to spend money to make more money. And so a lot of the sales and marketing effort around building out what we've talked about in the past, our indirect channel strategy. So really getting in front of a lot of these technology partners who already have the customers. It might be a company who does smart lighting, or a company that does really great Wi-Fi, or really great Bluetooth beacons, or really great access control, or just a software vendor, or any number of partners that we've talked about in the past. We've got to get in front of them, because when we get in the right conversations, in the right rooms, we win. The reality is it just takes boots on the ground, people out there having those conversations, selling. And we've had very limited, a very small sales force. We've been selling through word of mouth, a lot of referral, which is great. But now that we're very, commercial ready to really scale, ready to hit that hockey stick-like growth, we've got to get, more money being spent in sales and marketing. That's our organic strategy. But, we've also talked before about, in our guidance, about an inorganic strategy. We're looking at evaluating a lot of companies. And I think for some retail investors, they don't realize how quickly and how great a public stock is in terms of growth, because people, they want to be public. They want to be, a NASDAQ listed company. And so there's a lot of companies out there that would be great accretive acquisitions for us to make, that we could do, that could add a lot of top line revenue, that are already profitable, and just change our revenue profile or our balance sheet, overnight, really. And so, those are exciting opportunities right now, where we're looking for accretive acquisitions and then sales and marketing growth. And so, this is really going to build the right relationships and allow us to accelerate through 2021 even faster. And we're excited. So, couldn't be more thrilled to have executed that and closed it relatively quickly because of the demand.
As you can tell, they are ready. Their platform is built. And another reason why I'm investing in this company, this was released on March 14, 2019. This was just a few days after they went public, and they were already talking and investing into cryptocurrency. So I'm gonna let the CEO talk. The other video was the COO, and this is the CEO. So I'm gonna let him talk, and then I will talk more about it.
Android devices to be able to have the most amazing mobile experience, so that All of us can consume whatever we want, whenever we want, however we want. But what we did along the way is we met so many people through licensing our software that we now reach over 1 billion people every month. That billion people allows us to have amazing insights. It gets you the scale and scope of a Facebook or a Google, except you allow people to have amazing experiences. And what we found, we entered blockchain specifically to help our customers be able to disintermediate these untrustworthy folks in the middle. Sadly, Facebook and Google, we've all become the product. We've lost control of our identity. It's our personal data and information, but sadly, they monetize it and we get none of it. So what Phunware did is we added blockchain and cryptocurrency as a mean to connect our customers who already trusted us from their work in mobile directly to these consumers and audiences who are voluntarily providing their personal data and information in exchange for compensation.
And your company, correct me if I'm mistaken, has managed to do something remarkable because you have issued a token which is SEC approved. How did you pull that off?
Yeah, so actually when we started, we went through 7 months and 2 days with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, and it's as painful as it might sound. Everyone, when we said we were going to be one of the first companies to ever attempt to get a licensed security token offering fully compliant and fully regulated by the SEC, they said it wasn't possible. They said that the SEC was very anti-blockchain, anti-crypto, and what it turns out is they're not at all. They're actually just very anti-companies around the world and groups trying to be creative with the interpretation of securities laws. So we were the first company in human history to get a security token approved as part of a registration statement to go public on NASDAQ. We're very proud of that. It's been weird being a guinea pig, as no one really knew if it would happen. But now that we've done that, even our finance team is working with the Chief Accounting Office of the SEC to set GAAP accounting standards for all public companies on Wall Street. Because so far, FASB and the SEC have never actually created GAAP accounting standards. So you can imagine forecasting financials, but you don't know how to handle blockchain or crypto. And we're very proud to be a part of that right now.
So for
That was in 2019. We're in 2021 right now, of April. They've been working on their crypto project for a long time. According to the COO, they're basically done everything and they're ready to launch. And here, this is the Phunware announces 2001 blockchain roadmap. So on January 21, 2021, they reduced the total fixed supply of the Phuncoin and the Phun token in order to promote a healthier token economy to adhere to exchange listing requirements. And then on February 2021, they released mass data software development kits to enable mobile application publisher to offer their user opportunity to opt into data sharing in return to compensation in Phuncoin. February 2021, mass loyalty SDK to enable mobile application map and tracking superior existing ecosystem with the Phuncoin for Pacific engagement activity. And then on March 21st, March 2021, they were supposed to release their mass Phun Wallet mobile application portfolio on the Apple iOS and Google Android to enable user to identify compliance with the KYC guidelines. But it got delayed to April because they did not release the Phun Wallet yet. So, I'm hoping that in April they get it launched. They said that in a recent interview, they did say that they are planning to release it in April. In April 2021, they listed the Phuncoin, the Phuncoin on the initial exchange to support compliance trading of utility tokens. In May 2021, Phuncoin on initial alternative trading system platform. So this company is releasing two type of cryptocurrency, the Phun token and the Phuncoin, and by June 2021, the mass Phun Wallet mobile application portfolio update to enable scaling and expanding features set to enhance the user experience. So I think the Fun Wallet could be a game changer for this company, especially if it takes off and does really well. The Fun Wallet basically rewards you with tokens and coins by doing activities like doing a survey, watching an ad, signing up to a website, or go buy something from, you know, a store. So it's pretty cool. And then the coin will have some kind of value to them, so you can use them to buy. Maybe I'm hoping that you can use them to either exchange for different currencies, like maybe Bitcoin or Ethereum or something like that. But I don't know, because I want to see what this wallet is like. But they have multiple catalysts in the very, very short term. And when these catalysts gets released, I'm hoping when the wallet gets released, I'm hoping that the stock price jumps like crazy, because, you know, great reviews and a lot of people download it. And then this is just a little side thing, but the company went through a reverse merger. They IPO'd on March 8, 2019. And remember, I said this video was on March 14th, 2019, so that was just a few days after. And so the stock price went to $300 a share for a total value of $9 billion. Just before they went public, because the market was excited about Phunware, because Phunware announced a handful of new patents and developer program, topped off by launching a platform for the public version of Funcoin and a blockchain partnership with the mighty IBM. So that got the market excited. The market pumped the stock before the company their reverse merger. The stock went all the way up to $308, and then it collapsed, and now it's trading at $1.90. As I'm making this video, it's trading at $1.90. The market cap is $135 million. Like I said, I'm a shareholder. I feel like this is a very undervalued crypto play, because if you look at all the crypto stocks out there, like you know, Riot, Mara, you know, Coinbase, Voyager, Big C, they are trading at far superior market cap valuations than this. This company is trading at $135 million. They have a total outstanding shares of 71 million. And yes, this is the right outstanding shares, because if you go to the website, you can actually see the outstanding shares. And I confirmed that it is 71.21 million shares. So they are trading at a market cap of $135 million. They have big investors like Cisco and Samsung, and multiple different other investors that I don't know who they are, but they have about 13 or 14 big investors into this company, and I just think it's just a matter of time before the stock price explodes. Yahoo Finance gave it a 1 year estimate of $3.75. So I hope I can make multiple videos on this. I mean, I've done so much research on this company, and you know, I expect more videos on this in the future. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.